we are currently doing about 2 CR, 2.5 CR per month, and we are quite confident of doing 3x that in the in this coming financial year. I run a company called offineeds.com. We are a corporate gifting and a merchandise company based in Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. So we are a leading corporate gifting company. We were doing really good pre-COVID. The industry really relied on events and get-togethers, team outings, conferences, and all of those kind of things, because whenever some event like that happened, people needed custom merchandise, right? But with COVID, that came to a complete standstill. And I actually came across Avi in the Digital Masters conference, and I took level 2 and a couple of other things, and that's where I became a huge fan of Avi, and I learned the power of video. And before that, I was dabbling a little bit with videos, so I was comfortable in front of the camera. That's something that was good, but it was like very basic stuff, right? Nothing really great, but I could see that was working. So after the course that I enrolled with Avi, I started something called thecorporategiftshow.com, right? And what I did is I said, we have like ton of products. We have 4,000 products which we offer to our clients. Now, how do we reach it out to our customers? I started making a show, and every day we demonstrate a product. So the punchline of the show is a new, interesting, exciting corporate gifting idea every single day. So if you are in charge of events, HR, marketing, corporate communications, admin, facility of your team, and looking to send out gifts to your employees and things like that, then that's my audience. So it's a very, very niche audience. It's not a B2C, it's a pure B2B business. We work with large organizations and with hundreds and thousands of employees. So this was an instant super hit. The first few episodes were like so bad, I was quite embarrassed to show it to my clients, but surprisingly that worked, right? My sales guys didn't have to go meet the clients. They didn't have to show the samples, and orders were just coming in. And they keep getting said, hey, they get the feeling that they know me through these videos, right? They say, hey, I know Srikanth. I keep watching his videos. He's all over the place on LinkedIn. Say my hi to him and so on, right? Webinars are super, super powerful. I do a webinar called Employee Engagement Webinar, where I share 11 strategies to improve employee engagement in a work from home situation. And this has been attended by 2,000 plus HR, corporate communication, admin, and those kind of managers, right? Despite that, because we were able to be present and be visible, and it feels like almost every inquiry is coming knocking to us, because our competitors are all shutting shop. They're sending their staff back home. The owners are trying to manage on their own and so on. But we are growing. Last year, despite the pandemic, the first 6 months we had almost no business. We had to slash down the salaries of our employees and all of those kind of things. But the next 6 months made it up so well that we actually grew by more than 50% last year compared to the year before that. And this year we are very, very optimistic that we will do 3x of what we did last year. And that's the confidence that I get from a lot of the digital marketing. But basically my content style is videos, because we have a ton of products that are demonstrable. Avi is absolutely the right person, and he's a true humble human being, very, very supportive. And when he says, I will personally make sure, me and my team will personally make sure you have all the tools and the success that you need, and you will be able to do what I'm doing, he truly means it, right? It's not that this webinar is done and then he's really accessible on Instagram. He's super fast. He's super accessible. So, this is, Avi didn't pay me to do this, but I'm telling you, if there is a pay now button, or if it's already been shared or something, just click it. Don't think twice.
Hello, gentlemen and ladies. I hope you liked that video. Wasn't it amazing how people are sharing their amazing stories of transformation and how their business is growing and everything before and after working with us, before and after the workshop? So guys, if you found this story interesting and you're intrigued and you're like, this sounds interesting, but I may still be skeptical, I have questions. Sure, I would have questions too. Do one thing, smash the link in the description. You'll be able to find a link to be able to book a team call with my office. In those 30 minutes, we'll teach you 3 things. We'll understand your business and tell you what your competitors are doing, what you are not doing, and how you can bridge the gap and go ahead and become one of the top 10 in your industry, like we've done for many others. case studies, comparative analysis, and what we can do for you, all in 30 minutes. A power-packed business strategy. If you're interested, it's absolutely free. Smash that link in the description and talk to my team. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you on the call. Bye for now.